Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, right here we're going to demonstrate on a 2017 Honda Civic, but even if you have a different year, that generation, it will work as well. You have two different fuse boxes, guys. On our channel we'll have a video about every single fuse on that Honda Civic. Let's say you're down the road, you need ignition switch fuse, because if it blows you will not be able to start your car. You can just search for it and you'll be able to find it in a few seconds, because even in the manual of your vehicle it's not known as ignition switch fuse. So we make it accessible for everyone. Another thing, guys, now let's explain where the fuse boxes are located. You have two of them and we'll explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. On your Honda Civic, guys, if you open the hood on your Honda Civic, no matter what engine you have, here in the US we have the 1.5 or 2.0, guys, no matter which one you have, when you open the fuse, the engine, the hood, right here in the engine bay, that's your fuse box. Right here, that's the car battery. So once you open, guys, that fuse box, it's going to look just like this one. Now those are some really special fuses that consisted multiple fuses, guys, and if you need to buy any of those fuses, relays, that could be really hard to find, we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping. That way you don't waste time and money, guys. That's one of them fuse boxes. Now you have one more, but before we continue with it, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the second fuse box, guys, it's located, let me show you right here. It's going to come inside the Honda Civic, guys, and inside on that Honda Civic, under the dash right here, if you look upside down, practically looking up, you're going to see a fuse box that just looks like this one. Those are the fuses, guys, right there. So those are the two locations of the fuse boxes. If you want to see anything else specifically, guys, if you have problems with something, drop a comment below. If we have time, we'll try to make a video. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.